Got a new phone this Christmas? Sweet. But let's be real. Switching phones can be a total headache, right? All those chats, stickers, photos. What if you lose them? Yikes. Don't worry though. I've got the perfect solution for you. Dr.Fone makes transferring everything, yes, everything, super simple. No tech skills, no stress. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to save your memories in just a few clicks. It's faster and easier than you think. So, what is this amazing tool I keep talking about? Think of Dr.Fone as your tech-savvy best friend for iPhones and Androids. It doesn't just transfer your chats. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your phone. Locked out of your phone? Dr.Fone can unlock it. Lost photos? It can recover them. Got system problems? No worries. Dr.Fone's got you covered. Plus, it helps with backups, restores, and even managing your data. And here's the best part. It's totally safe. Dr.Fone uses top-notch encryption to protect your data and doesn't collect anything without your permission. So, you can trust it completely. All right, now that you know what Dr.Fone can do, let's talk about getting started. Head over to the website, download the software on your computer, and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you'll see the Dr.Fone dashboard, where all these awesome tools are just a click away. For now, let's focus on WhatsApp transfers. Click on the WhatsApp transfer feature, and here's the interface. From here, you can back up your chats, restore them, or transfer them to your new phone. Let's select Transfer WhatsApp Messages. A window will pop up with instructions, and it's as easy as connecting your devices with USB cables. You'll need to connect your devices. Your source phone is the one with your data, and your destination phone is where you're moving everything to. You'll see a message asking if you want to keep the data on your source phone. Just pick the option that works best for you and click Next. Now, sit back and relax while the transfer happens. You'll see a progress bar, and once it's done, you'll get a confirmation message. That's it. Your WhatsApp chats and files are now safely moved. But you might be wondering, how does Dr.Fone compare to other methods? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's take a look at some alternatives and see how Dr.Fone really stands out. So, if you're moving from one Android phone to another, you might be thinking about using Google Drive. It's built into most Android devices, and backing up your data to the cloud makes restoring it on your new phone pretty easy. But here's the catch. It only works if you have enough storage space, and it doesn't always include app-specific data, like WhatsApp chats or media files. That's where Dr.Fone really shines. Not only can it transfer WhatsApp, but it also handles 12 different file types, like your photos, videos, contacts, and even apps. It's got the flexibility that Google Drive just can't match. So if you want a more complete and hassle-free transfer, Dr.Fone's got your back. What if you're switching from Android to iPhone? Apple has a tool for that. It's called Move to iOS. You just download the app on your Android device, connect it to your iPhone, and follow the instructions to transfer things like contacts, messages, and media files. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing. It has its limitations. Large media files and some app-specific data like WhatsApp chats don't always transfer. That's where Dr.Fone comes in. It bridges the gap, making sure everything moves over smoothly, including WhatsApp and other apps. With Dr.Fone, you're not just transferring data, you're getting peace of mind. If you're upgrading from one iPhone to another, Apple's iCloud backup makes it super easy. All you have to do is sign in with the same Apple ID, and your apps and data will restore automatically on your new phone. But here's the catch. What if you need to transfer more than just the basics? That's where Dr.Fone steps up. It handles 12 file types, like photos, videos, contacts, messages, and even voicemail, making it perfect for those who want a more complete transfer. And if you're dealing with cross-platform transfers, like moving from Android to iPhone, Dr.Fone's versatility makes it a lifesaver. Each of these methods has its strengths, but Dr.Fone consistently offers the most robust and reliable solution. Whether you're staying within the same platform or making the leap to a new one, Dr.Fone makes the entire process simple, secure, and stress-free. So no matter what kind of transfer you're dealing with, you can trust Dr.Fone to keep your data safe, accessible, and intact. All right, that's a wrap. Can Dr.Fone really make your data transfers this simple? Absolutely. Whether you're switching phones, backing up important chats, or protecting your priceless memories, Dr. Phone's powerful tools make the process stress-free. Want to give it a try? I've left a link in the description below. And trust me, once you see how easy it is, you'll never look back. Before you go, don't miss my video on 7A eye tools. So good they feel like cheating. It's packed with powerful tools that'll save you time and effort. You'll thank me later. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more tips and tricks to make your phone life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.